Okay guys, I'm back. Now, once we have this done and you hopefully have printed it out and brought it back to your desk, the next thing I want you to do is validate your form. So when you validate your form, the first thing you're going to do is do Window and then look for in here Behaviors, Window Behaviors, Shift F4. And then when you do Window Behaviors, you get this little palette over here so that we can go ahead and do our behaviors. Now, one thing, it won't work unless you click inside your form. So click somewhere inside the form. Don't be down here by your name. And then you need to hit this plus, and down here it says validate form. Okay, now what you're going to do is decide what things are going to be required. So for the input name, we're going to say input name is required, and we'll take anything for the answer. Address, we're going to say is required, and we'll take anything for the answer. City, required, anything. State, required, anything. Zip, required, anything. Now, for email address, we're going to click email required, but we're going to put email address so that it will only accept valid email addresses. And then if you want to do any of your other things, you could. We are not at this time. We're just going to require that they do their name, address, city, state, and zip. We're not going to require any of the other things. And then we're going to say OK, and that will validate our form. Now, I would like you to save again after you did validate that form. Okay, so that is all there is to validating. It's Window, Behaviors, and then you click your plus, go to validate form, and then you click each different thing and tell if it's required and what you'll accept. Now notice here that you can also accept numbers, but we didn't in this case. So that's all there is to it.